Okay, hello guys, I'm Marek. This is the part 2 of the video about actions in Photoshop. In the first video I've created an action, this one here. I called it web size. Now I'm going to show you how to run it on a batch of images. I've got this folder here called 0 to automating with a bunch of images that I'm going to convert. So I'm going into Photoshop, I'll go to File, down to Automate and Batch. You can also run it from Bridge. Okay, it's not just Photoshop. Now in the Batch dialog box, for Set, Marek Actions, Action, the action we've created, I've created an action called Web Size, so that's the action that's selected here. Source, a folder, or you could also source images that you open in Photoshop or Bridge. I'm going to click Choose, and I'll select the folder on the desktop, 0 to Automating. I'll click OK. Okay. Now with the override action open commands, you may want to use it for when opening the files. I'm going to leave the defaults on. I'm going to leave the defaults as they are for now. For destination, I'm going to use folder. I'll click Choose. I'm going to create a new folder on the desktop. Okay, I'll call that Export. I'll click OK. Override action save as command. That's fine. Document name, you can rename the files at the same time, but I'm just going to leave it for now. And I'll just click OK to start running the action. The action is going to open every image. You can see what it's doing. It's converting them, saving, and you can easily run it on 1 image, 5 images, or even 1,000 images. Because Photoshop is doing all the work for you. When you're done, we'll just have a look on the desktop. Here we go. Into Export folder, we got these images in here, the same images. Let's have a look. It is 1000 pixels on the longer side. Well, let's open it in Photoshop. Open in Adobe Photoshop. Use embedded profile as RGB. Okay. So the image is as RGB, and the image is 72 ppi and 1000 images. As simple as that. That's how you can run an action on a whole batch of images in Photoshop. I hope you enjoyed it. Thank you for watching.